our hotel, Eco del Mar. It is an eco hotel, which means that they really focus on the environment and just keeping you as close to it as possible. So for the most part, people sleep in tents. There are tents all over the property. Some are closer to the water, some aren't. I definitely recommend this property because it's so close to Bahia De Las Aguilas. And if you're not into the ecotourism thing, I get it. You can do what we did, which is stay in this suite. They have 4 of them, and I think they're building some more behind us. This one is called Sirio. It sleeps 6. I think they all sleep 6 actually. And they offer more amenities obviously than a tent does. You get electricity, a private bathroom, an actual bed, 2 of them actually with a sofa bed. You also get a lot more space and privacy. So if you're up for the ecotourism thing, I think this may be a nice buffer between actually camping and glamping. It's glamping. You know what? That's glamping. You're glamping when you're doing that. You're not camping. Let me give you a tour. First, the outside. There's a lot of space to sit. You got beach chairs if you want to lounge, soak in the sun here rather than on the beach. You got a couch over there. You have a table with some chairs, pretty nice. And there's no AC, so there's a bunch of just screen doors and windows. Hello. What's up? Yeah. And when you get inside, this is what it looks like. Obviously, it was a lot cleaner when we came in last night, but it was too dark for me to record anything. So this sleeps 6. There's a bed there. There's a sofa bed there, and here's another bed. And so this is the thing that is cool about it. It's all as close to nature as possible. So there aren't any ACs. There's just fans for the extreme heat. It's really nice. And here's one of my favorite parts. Like I said, screen doors everywhere. It's kind of hard to get out. Oh, actually it was locked. So here's the bathroom, toilet. And the shower is my favorite part. It looks like they're doing construction here on some more of these, which is pretty cool. I guess the demand is really blowing up. This is my favorite part. You want to take a shower? Here's your own private little shower. But you're showering outside technically. Don't worry, no one can see you. No one can see you. But it's cool to shower outdoors. Again, this was much needed when we first came in, but you know, we got our stuff all over the place. So this is it. This is the suite. This is Sirio, and it's very, very, very nice. I definitely recommend doing something like this if you're coming to Bahia de las Aguilas, especially considering that there aren't that many options available, especially like, you know, premium options like this. And it's a really nice treat to give yourself. The property has a full kitchen, a bar, a really nice bar at that, and spectacular views. So I think this is really the best option. The centerpiece of Eco del Mar is their bar. It's like the first thing that greets you. It's the first thing you walk towards when you're going to the beach. The staff is nice, the drinks are good. It just really adds and gives that really good premium experience. This is an amazing place. I definitely recommend it. It's as close to nature as you can get. At first I was skeptical about this whole ecological tourism and, you know, hospitality industry, but I really love the fact that you do feel like you haven't, you know, compromised on luxury. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and let me know what you think.